Have you ever wondered how words can change an entire livelihood? On a failing dairy farm in Maple Creek, the discovery of a Bible verse, "The earth is the Lord's and all it contains," sparked a revolution. Farmer Ben stumbled upon the verse and shared motivational quotes, inspiring his family and neighbors to embrace eco-friendly farming. Amid financial woes, the farm adopted sustainable practices, drastically enhancing milk yields and fostering local collaboration. This led to the farm's transformation into a beacon of rural prosperity, proving the profound impact of faith-driven innovation.